Crossover 3 double deck installation. Please refer to all instructions before installing. Feed wires through stem, female end, and hand tighten. Leaving one lock nut on the stem with teeth facing up, feed the wires through the bottom of the driver box, and then feed the top lock nut with teeth facing down and tighten onto male threads of stem. Make secondary wiring connections to terminal block per internal wiring label. Close the lid and secure momentarily. After cutting an 11-inch hole in the canopy section, run a bead of caulk around the outside perimeter. Insert canopy collar through canopy with internal flanges perpendicular to ribs. Press into sealant. Insert clamp brackets up through the hole, sliding down over the collar on both sides. Secure clamp brackets to collar with 4 screws on outermost holes. Insert inner mount flange into collar, lining up the flanges, and secure with 4 fasteners on outermost holes. Using clasp on the end of the tether, attach luminaire to mounting bracket through rectangular hole. Allow luminaire to hang by tether for wiring. Run supply wiring to box bottom through knockout on side of box. Make all primary wiring connections per electrical code. Making sure not to pinch any wires, flip driver box cover top closed and secure with screw. Leaving tether attached, lift luminaire up through the collar. Position luminaire over the mounting bracket. Secure luminaire with 4 screws and tighten. Note the keyhole slots on 2 opposite corners.